Good morning all of you. I am Azabara from Nanmaji Vidyapith, strand of third. So students, today we'll start tools for measuring length. So in the unit number 3, tools of measuring length. So there are the different tools to measure the length of an object. Can you give me a few examples of such a tool? So that I'll give you a few examples. Tools for the measuring length, that means rulers. Those students, in a ruler there is a C. Here is a written cm. What was the meaning of that? That meaning is centimeter. What we say? Centimeter. So this ruler is a 20 centimeter. Okay, this ruler is a 20 centimeter. Now students, measure tape. This is a measure tape. अगर हमें कोई थिंग स्मॉल थिंग से वो अगर हमें मेजर करनी है, एट दैट टाइम विल यूज ruler, but we have to measure something large things. At that time we'll use measure tape. Now students, today we'll learn about two different standard unit of measurement of length. आज हम two different unit सीखेंगे length को measure करने के लिए. ठीक है? So students, take out your ruler and observe the marking. Now students, see. In your ruler, there is a centimeter is there. This is a written centimeter. Now here is a written like that. See students, here is a written number 0 to 25. Number 0 to 25, and but here is that number is that is okay. But also is written centimeter, cm. What was the full form of cm? Full form of cm is centimeter. So students, this is a centimeter. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like so on 25. And see, in your ruler also bigger things is there. So that's called the each. That's called each. So 1 to 10 each is there. Okay students. So did you understood what was the difference in the standard unit of measurement? That is the scale. So scale का हमने unit देख लिया है students कि how measurement. Scale will use with the two way. First one is a centimeter and second one is a each. Got it students? Now we'll start next CRL. Okay students, now we'll learn about how to measure object. So students, today we will learn how to measure the length of an object. कोई भी object है उसकी length हम कैसे find करेंगे, that we'll learn now. Okay, so students, here is a pencil. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to keep the 0 centimeter end point of the ruler at the start point of the object. Okay, so we have to put this pencil like that. So 0 centimeter end of the ruler, starting point of the ruler is different than the 0 centimeter of the ruler. So students, let's see, we have to put the 0 centimeter, 0 to 1 centimeter, 1 to 2 centimeter, 2 to 3 centimeter, 3 to 4 centimeter, 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8. Okay, so 0 centimeter end of the ruler. 0 है वो क्या है? End of the ruler is there. So students, let's count still each end of the object. So students, here is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the pencil is long 8 centimeter. The pencil is 8 centimeter long. Length of the pencil is 8 centimeter. Got it students? The pencil is 8 centimeter. Length of the pencil is 8 centimeter. Then students, standard unit of the measurement. So when we sharp the pencil, its length decrease. अगर हम कोई पेंसिल है उसको शार्प कर देंगे तो उसकी लेंथ और डिक्रीज दैट मीन्स कम हो जाएगी. For example, this one is a big pencil, right? We have to sharp that pencil. हम लोगों ने वो पेंसिल है वो क्या कर दी, शार्प कर दी. Now this one is a smaller, so might be not always be exactly 8 centimeter. So पेंसिल है वो exactly 8 centimeter वो वैसा फिक्स नहीं है. That is a length. It should be difference. Okay. So let's measure the length of the sharp pencil using the same steps. Now we have to sharp the हम लोगों ने जो पेंसिल शार्प की है वही पेंसिल को हम क्या करेंगे, what we have to do students, we have to sharp that pencil. So students, we have to keep the pencil on the 0 centimeter and we have to count. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 centimeter is there. So but end of the pencil is between 6 to 7. Now look at this, 6 to 7 is there. So what we have to do students, middle में है ना, so let's count the number. See, this one is that dot, that's called 1 2 3 4 and 5. But this pencil like 3 centimeter is there. So if the object and before the mind point between 2 centimeter marking, take the lower marking. हम जो कम से कम मार्किंग है वो हमें यहाँ पे मार्क करना है. ओके, सो द पेंसिल एंड before the mind point between 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter, so the length of the pencil is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, the length of the pencil is to 6 centimeter. So what is students, how to measure the pencil, how to find the length of the pencil. Now pencil has been the sharp again. Now अभी वापस से हमने पेंसिल को शार्प कर लिया, ठीक है. So now what was the length is there, हमें क्या करना है, what we have to find, length of the pencil we have to find. So let's see. So students, we have to put the pencil with the 0 centimeter and we have to count the end point. So see, 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So if the object and after the midpoint between 2 centimeter marking, take the higher marking. हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, अगर वो 2 सेंटीमीटर मतलब 2 सेंटीमीटर से आगे चला गया तो हम हायर मार्किंग लेंगे, ठीक है. सो लुक एट दिस, ये 5 से आगे चला गया, 5 देन ये 5 सेंटीमीटर, देन वी विल काउंट 6 7 8 9 10. So 5.5 is there, then also 1 2 3 and 4 is there. So we'll count this 7 centimeter. How many centimeter? 6 centimeter is there. So the pencil and after, pencil का end कहाँ पे हो रहा है, after the midpoint between the 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. 5 centimeter और 6 centimeter के बाद हो रहा है, that means midpoint है उसके बाद हो रहा है, ठीक है. So the length of the pencil is 6 centimeter. Length of the pencil is 6 centimeter. So students got आप लोगों को समझ में आया how to measure the pencil. Okay students, so now we'll start unit number 1. In that unit we'll start worksheet number 2. Okay students, I hope so you all are understand this CRL. Now we'll start our worksheet. Okay everyone, we'll start that worksheet. So students, now we'll start worksheet number 2. How to measure if an object is longer than the ruler. ऑब्जेक्ट और रूलर से बड़ा है, ठीक है. सो हम क्या करेंगे, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ज़ीरो मार्किंग, नॉट स्टार्टेड ऑफ द रूलर. सो ज़ीरो मार्किंग वी हैव टू स्टार्ट. ओके, सो ये जो रूलर है वो ज़ीरो से हमने स्टार्ट किया, 0 to this one is a 20. We have to mark over that. Okay, not point of the last marking of the ruler, not end of the ruler. Now see, यहाँ पे 20 हो गया, 20 के मार्क पे हमें 20. तो फर्स्ट रूलर लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 20 सेंटीमीटर. स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर्स इज it? 20 सेंटीमीटर. Now last marking is this So now again repeat the point of last marking still reach end of the object. Now हम लोग क्या करेंगे, end of the object we have to started this. So 0 to 16 is there, right? So now students, if after the ruler the length you do not reach the end of the object, repeat as many times. अगर हमें ऑब्जेक्ट बड़ा है तो हम क्या करेंगे, उसको रिपीट करते जाएंगे जब तक हमें एंड पॉइंट नहीं मिल जाता. तो हियर वी आर हैविंग द एंड पॉइंट, बट हाउ टू काउंट दिस? So we have to do here at the length to find the total length of the object. So total length of the wooden pieces is equal to 20 centimeter. First portion is a 20 centimeter students, and second one is a 16 centimeter. So here we have to write 20 centimeter plus 16 centimeter is equal to 36 centimeter. Now students, measure the length of lining using the ruler. Now here question number 1, here we are having the linings, so we have to measure this. So students, look at this. This is a 8 centimeter. How many centimeters students? 8 centimeter. So here we have to write 8 centimeter. How many centimeter? 8 centimeter. Now look at this second one line. So that second one line is a 12 centimeter students. How many centimeters are there? 12. So here we have to write 12 centimeter, and in the third one we have to start it from the 0, and that is a 3 centimeter. How many centimeters students? This is a 3 centimeter. So here we have to write 3 centimeter. Now we'll use the each. Okay, so in that each, see, linings are same. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeter. How many each is there? 4 each is there. Then third one, second one, there is also 4 inch. So here we have to write 4 inch, and in the last, that is the 1 and 2 centimeter. So here we have to write 2 centimeter. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to write this in your maths notebook, workbook, page number 61. I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to complete your work students, then we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start worksheet number 3rd. Now students, in the worksheet number 3rd, there is the match the animals with their salters using the line and then write their measurement. Okay, so bird live in nest. So we have to measure that line and we have to write that measurement. So that line is a 5 centimeter. So here we have to write 5 centimeter. Lion live in den. So we have to measure this and we have to draw it. So 6 centimeter is there students. So here we have to write 6 centimeter. Dog live in kennel. So we have to measure the dog. Okay, kennel's house. So students, that is the, how many centimeters are there? 9 centimeter. So we have to write here 9 centimeter. And then spider living where? So it is the 7 centimeters is there. So we have to write here 7 centimeter. Got it students, how to measure this? So students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete this. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now I'll show you the next question. Next question is measure the length of the following object using the ruler. So first one is a key. So that key is just 3 centimeters students. How many centimeters are there? 3 centimeters. So here we have to write 3 centimeter. Then pen is there. So that pen is a 5 centimeter. Okay students. So we have to write here 5 centimeter. Then the brush is there, paint brush. It is a 7 centimeter. So here we have to write 7 centimeter. Toothpaste is there, toothbrush 7 centimeter is there. So we have to write here 7 centimeter. So students, I'll give you a half an minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook students. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next page number 63, next worksheet. That worksheet is worksheet number 4. Measure the measurement length. Choose whether centimeter or meter used to measure that following object. So students, here is some object. We have to identify types of the units. So length of the notebooks, that means a centimeter. Types of the unit is a centimeter. Length of the school bag, so meter. Types of the unit, meter. Length of the tiffin, types of the unit is a centimeter. Height of the classroom, types of the unit is a centimeter. Not a centimeter, meter is there. Length of the study table, centimeter is there. Length of an eraser, centimeter. So students, that object we have to using when notebook is there, we have to measure with the centimeter. Gate, meter. Then tiffin box, centimeter. Classroom, meter. Study table, centimeter. And eraser, centimeter. Now students, I'll give you half minutes. You have to write this. You have to make the circle over here. Okay students. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next portion. Next portion is height of tree. We have to measure with the meter. Length of notebooks, centimeter. Length of the mobile phone, centimeter. Length of the running trunk, meter. Length of the television, centimeter. Length of the sofa, meter. Height of a room, meter. Length of a spoon, centimeter. Okay students, now I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. I hope so students, your work is complete. Now next portion. Next portion is filling the blanks using the centimeter or meter. So height of a bottle, 6 centimeters students. Length of a dining table, 3 centimeter. Not a 3 centimeter, 3 meter is there. Length of the tube light, 2 meter. And length of the pencil box, 12 centimeter. I'll give you half an minute students. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is done. Now students, your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 1 to 4. That worksheet you have to send it, complete it and send it to me students before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. You have to complete your work students and send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students, your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.